Us Roblox review. Is it a free Robux scam? Us Roblox review. Is it a free Robux scam? If you've been searching for free Robux online, you've probably come across sites like Us Roblox claiming to give away free in-game currency. But is it legit, or just another scam targeting Roblox players? Most people get this wrong by thinking any site promising free Robux is safe. The surprising truth is that Us Roblox is almost certainly a scam. Users report that the site asks for account information or personal data, promising free Robux in return, but no one actually receives the currency. You won't believe what happens next. Some players end up with hacked accounts, phishing messages, or even malware infections after interacting with these sites. Epic Games, the developer of Roblox, strictly warns against third-party generators or free Robux sites. Using them can even lead to permanent bans. The safest way to get Robux is through official Roblox channels, either by purchasing them or earning them through Roblox Premium. Never share your account login or personal information on unverified sites. In conclusion, Us Roblox is not a legitimate source for free Robux. It's a scam designed to trick players. Stick to official Roblox methods, protect your account, and avoid the temptation of too good to be true offers they almost always are.